Hi. At the time of recording, the GPU won't be shipped until after Lunar New Year. So like until 21 or 22nd of this month. But in the meantime, I got the CPU. Yeah, I'm gonna open it. Looks like it. Anyway, as I was saying, oh for fuck's sake, there's still tape on here. This is the last time I'm gonna peel anything. And in this tissue, okay. And it should be here. That's a lot of fucking shit for one small CPU. And here you go. You can't really see it, but oh, hold on. It's a yeah, really can't see it clearly, but yeah, I can see it though. It's clearly an i7-4790. Okay, but anyway, time to install. Okay, so here's my PC. I have the hard drive just zip tied into there. I mean, it worked, okay? It worked. As for the CPU, it's a i5 was it 4570? I think it is, yeah. So this won't be much of an upgrade, but it's an upgrade nonetheless. And here is the GTX 750 Ti, which I will be upgraded to a GTX 1060. So yeah, time to pull this thing out and put this guy in. Alright. Okay, out the old, into the new. I may need to scrape that thing off. Well, not scrape, but clean it. Well, I'm just gonna clean everything here. Thermal paste applied. Now all I have to do is just putting it in. Wait. Which way is the fucking correct way again? Oh, so it's this way. Okay, so hold on. Wrong way. There you go. This is how you put it in. And you just put it right in there. Perfect. Now I just gotta close it. Yep, there you go. And for the last part, I'm gonna have to connect the wire first and then put these all back in, so wait for me. Okay, so as you can see, here's the CPU, i7-4790. Not the best, especially in the current age, but hey, it's what I got. And you can see it here from CPU Z or CPU ID. Yep, that's it. Alright. Okay, so this is like several days later. I finally got it, the graphic card. So now I just need to open it. It's wow, that's really big. What the hell? That's it's a pretty big package. Hold on, I need 2 hands for this. Look at that. Fucking gigabyte card. Alright, I guess it's time we install it. Okay, so I returned the damaged card and they refund me, so I got my money back. Yay. Instead of the 1060, I go for the 3060 now. It's a Ventus 2X MSI, whatever, 12 gigs, not the 8 gig version. A bit more expensive, but I say it's worth it. Okay, so here's the card. It's quite beefy. This one is 8-pin, bunch HDMI and DisplayPort, but well, no, it's only one, not a bunch. The DisplayPort is plenty, but there's only one HDMI. Alright, I put it in. Oh, it's a bit dark. Let me just... There you go. It is in. Now I just need to turn it on and there you go. Voila, just like that. Alright, here's the old GTX 750 Ti. Yes, this thing served me quite well. Uh, now you're gonna retire. Does this even fit? Yeah, sit there nicely, alright? You served me well throughout the New Year's. Now it's time for you to rest, my old friend. Alright, so I installed the driver. Here's the graphic card, RTX 3060, 12 gigs. Uh, it, it's getting bottlenecked by the no, later. It's getting bottlenecked by the motherboard, which is PCI Express 2, not even 3, 2, which is kind of fuck. But considering I'm playing at like 1080p, I don't think it's gonna fuck me over that much. And the reason why I go for 3060, I'm planning to upgrade the whole system when I got enough money, of course. What's gonna take me like 2 more months to at least get enough money. So like I'm planning to upgrade to a 12 Gen i5 and using DDR4 instead of DDR5. Like, well, you know the reason why. this economy is fucked. Also, might as well upgrade the storage because 200 yeah 256 gig SSD is not enough. It's not even NVMe. I mean, obviously this shit is like old as fuck. So no way in hell is this thing is gonna get NVMe. Nah, this shit is SATA SSD, which is still pretty fast though. Compared to a fucking hard drive, it is faster. You know what? That's enough for me. Uh, yeah. For now, I'll just live with this. It's okay, I think. It could run. It could run Enfield. The whole reason why I fucking upgrade is because of Enfield. Like the 750 Ti is it just it won't run. I mean, it can run at like one frame per second, literally. Yeah, 2 gig is I'm not sure. I don't think 2 gig is enough anymore. So yeah, how about I turn that to 12 gig and a way more powerful chipset. So yeah, now I'm reinstalling this shit because yeah, it's I don't have enough disk space. That's why I'm considering like see this? Yeah, I have to fucking uninstall a game and reinstall it just to get it to fucking install. Apparently updating it uh, took a lot of fucking space. Like this one fucking god damn it, it's wrong. Was one fucking D drive in particular is dedicated to just this. That's all it is. It's kind of annoying, but I mean that's the life of being broke. You can't afford everything. Uh, I could put it into the fucking hard drive, but yeah, the load speed ain't fucking good. Oh yeah, and if you ask, I moved Zenless to the fucking hard drive. I got my priority, alright? Now I just have to wait. Fuck's sake, it's gonna be a long time.